Hello friends, happy Independence Day. My greetings today are in the form of a question. My question to the Chief Justice of India, other judges of the Supreme Court and High Court, and also subordinate courts. My question is also to members of legal profession, my colleagues, to the teachers. My question is to the elected representatives. I'm specifically saying elected representatives and not leaders because I do not see many leaders around. My question is also to the Dharam Gurus, so-called Dharam Gurus, and most importantly to the parents. 76 years back, we promised to the nation to wipe the last tear from the last eye. The noble mission enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution is to secure justice, social, economic, and political for all, ensure dignity, and to promote fraternity. But where are we today? To say in the words of a poet, सौ में 70 आदमी जब तलक नासाज है, poet says, 100 में 70 आदमी जब तलक नासाज है, दिल पे रखकर हाथ कह दो क्या वतन आज़ाद है. But today we can say 100 में 90. If 90 out of 100 are suffering, can you say it is freedom? That is what the poet is asking us. Different political parties continue to befool the nation. Today more than 800 million get ration from the government. We are at the bottom of hunger index, at the bottom of human right index, at the bottom of women's safety index, at the bottom of media independence, at the bottom of judicial independence, at the bottom of happiness index. We are top in corruption, top in unemployment. And what to talk of promoting fraternity? Hate speeches are being made not only by some fools but also by so-called Dharam Gurus and a few elected representatives of main political party. What happened in Manipur and Haryana recently has put every Indian to shame. Most of the judges are deciding the matters like computers. They have no clue at all as to how to achieve the real mission, how to secure justice, social, economic and political for all. Many of them do not even want to learn. So therefore the Chief Justice of India and the Law Minister of India today must answer this question, that how long this system will keep befooling the nation. How many centuries 90% of the citizens will continue to suffer undignified life. When we will achieve the real dream, हर एक घर में दिया भी जले अनाज भी हो, अगर ना हो कहीं ऐसा तो आतराज भी हो, रहेगी कब तलक वादों में कैद खुशहाली, हर एक बार ही कल क्यों कभी तो आज भी हो. How long will be continued to be befooled by just promises? I must remind the Chief Justice that so far he has not done anything great. He is only going through the motions. The nation wants to know, what is your blueprint? For last so many decades, the CGIs and the bar leaders have been making those boring speeches without any substance or vision. So we do not want such repetition. I have no hope from these representatives of the bar, the so-called bar leaders. Most of them are slaves and parasites, having no concern at all about the sufferings of common citizens. And as the poet says, इस सदी में तेरे होठों पर तबस्सुम की लकीर, इस सदी में तेरे होठों पर तबस्सुम की लकीर, हंसने वाले तेरा पत्थर का कलेजा होगा. He says that despite all these sufferings, if you are still smiling, that means you have a heart of stone. I'm in New York these days, but I'm not gallivanting. I'm doing my research on the topic and I quote, developing citizenry for the real freedom to billions suffering undignified life, unquote. I'm sure the Chief Justice knows that I have always tried to serve the society to the best of my ability. I say it with a great sense of satisfaction that my one action of sitting on fast unto death provided bifurcation of court to the benefit of 20 million citizens of Delhi. My one YouTube message to the Prime Minister of India on Farmers' Bill brought relief to millions of farmers in India. My YouTube talks have benefited more than a few 100,000 students, and during the last 27 years, I have devoted more than 99% of the time for welfare of society. I am saying this with a great sense of satisfaction and to shut up those fools who say that I am making speeches while sitting in New York. I am sure that the CGI knows that I renounced a lucrative law practice at the peak of my career, and a person of the stature of Ram Jethmalani blessed me with a great compliment and named me Gautam Buddha of 21st century. I am sure the Chief Justice knows that I am senior to him in age and also as a student of law. Therefore, he will take it kindly and would soon respond to my questions and would tell his blueprint to the nation. I hope the Chief Justice of India cannot feel ignorance about this message, because this is being sent to a few thousand lawyers, media persons, a few judges, and even to Registrar of Supreme Court and others. At the end, I would only like to sing this. ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी. Thank you. Jai Hind. Friends can send their suggestions to me on Ashok Arora 2310 @gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.